Hey! Cute little necklace, in case I can't see. So cute. Yeah, so today I'm doing a slime review to add to my giant blob of slime. Ugh. It looks like a Kylie Jenner for lipstick though.
If you want this, you would take it.
Oh!
It got one more time. If you want this, you would take it.
If you don't shut up, I'll take it. You. Okay, so I was started, and they're just cute little minis. Oh.
Here, Stephanie, you want this?
So I started with this one. Oh, it's lime green. Let me bring the light over here. Okay, so here's lime green. Add it in. Just to reveal, I'm adding them in.
Help.
My parents are really supportive. Respect your parents, boys.
Hey, that's what Joshi said.
So,
Hi, Bert.
doesn't sound like a cakewalk, right? No. Why don't you tell Roderick, give him a picture.
Oh, look. Since it broke, it's in 2 pieces.
No, it's really hard. There's no home-cooked meals like this. What?
Got it. I got it.
No, on the road.
Okay, moving on to this really bright. Oh yeah, the yellow was called, the green was called lime. The yellow was called sunset, which I really think would have been a sunset if they had a little bit vanilla orange. I was thinking. This is how my heart beats when I'm a cute guy. Hold on, let me put it. This is how my heart beats.
Cut that back on.
This is how it beats when I'm a cute guy. No. Oh! Okay.
Which is easy to walk, guys. That's what we're on.
My side is clean. Dang. My desk can be junky, but I can just clear it. So this is called orange. So I was thinking, take the orange in half.
I can't let your parents go to the party. I never lie. Joshie's is a liar. It's everyone.
No.
I wanted to join the big boy sleepover.
Let me see.
Yeah, so.
He just wanted to come in and say hi to Rowley. Oh, and Rowley's mother brought over some healthy snacks and DVDs that she thought were appropriate. Enjoy your granola bars, boys. Annie's magic cushion. Let's start with that. Or should we watch?
So yeah, that's what's. Wait, let me hear about
She
it.
comes back in and asks about the party. You need to relax. How about a healthy snack?
I have to, like, this is super hard to open. Oh my gosh.
He's playing with the Maddie's Kylie Jenner stuff.
He better not be.
He has it. Why would you even let him overhear my stuff? You let him break it?
Oh, that's it. When my video's over, you're gonna get it. Ew. So whatever. That was the pink. So cute. Let me see how hot this is.
So this says sketch, guys.
Scary, honestly, but how cool?
I told you.
Low battery.
You home, sweetie? We jumped out a window. Who's that? We jumped out a window.
Disney's Big Hero
make every day a little brighter. And show everyone how much you can sparkle and shine.
It does not melt.
Num Noms lights are
So,
a proud
ready?
sponsor of Disney Channel.
And there we go.
And one light's not
I'm just going to straight up adding
Disney
them.
Channel. In Rogue One, our heroes are facing some bad guys. Like, really, really bad.
So, and the light all over me. Ready? Here we go! Here we go!
guys.
Here we go! Cause mokoe make me look. Mokoe make me look. Mokoe make me look.
No one can take it away from you.
Peace.